All right, this is Cars Food Weed POV. We're gonna put the engine back in the Lightning because done about as much as I want to do, and it's time to get it back in the truck. Kind of scary. I don't want the GoPro to fall down the intake hole. Well, let's not get too ahead of ourselves. We still need to put in the rear main and the throwout bearing, the pilot bearing. Had to put the camera down and do this. Make sure you get it nice and greasy before you put it in. It makes it a lot easier. Still need to be tapped in square, but it's started on there. All right, hopefully that's visible. Say, never buy tools, just use what you got. She's going in. Should be using my left hand to do this. I'm all goofed up, born left-handed, the world's against me. That feels wrong, bro. I've been trained to use my right hand from birth, okay? I know my place. Probably use the fucking wood to put it in now. All right, send it home. Almost hit myself. Expert dodge. Probably didn't need to switch to the wood. Just ram it. Well, it's kind of working now. I think we got to drive it home with the socket. Taking too long. This is not at a good fucking work level. Holy crappy, I just want to slam it. Should have put it in the freezer first. Try the other side. Sometimes this works. And you can also, yeah, connect it through the front of the socket. Get a little more surface area. Just grazed my hand with the hammer there, you know. It's all about control. Stay in control. He is almost in. I give it a few more taps, you know, just to make sure. Usually the tone will change when you're in, and then you know you're good. Let me know in the comments if the tone changed already. I think it's in. Whatever. And building a motor wouldn't be complete without the ritual. That is when you go over here to your block plate. Okay, it didn't happen last night. We ran out of light, but it's gonna happen now. Just had to do some last minute insulate the HVAC box so you don't want it to melt. Good old sideways hoist action. You can make the FWD lightning. Just kidding, I would never do something that stupid, but she's getting close. Adding jack oil made this such a better hoist. Haven't done that since I purchased it. We're getting close. Something. The transmission's not in the way. It might be. Been waiting to see this site for quite a while. Well, it's almost in. Pro tip, take the front bumper off. It's only 4 21mm bolts. That is assuming your fog light bracket 10 mils are broke off already like mine. So yeah, I had to go under there and slide the transmission back quite a bit. Be able to clear this. It kind of tends to hang at a weird angle when you leave it on the cross member. So jacked it up a little bit. You're about to lower it. Alright, hopefully it goes in. Hopefully those new headers fit the exhaust in the same spot, because needs to come over a little bit. Oh shit. It's not gonna work. There it goes. That's what it's supposed to look like. Check the other side. Oh yeah. Look at that. Hopefully that's visible.